please try your best. And I know that all your ghosts are real, but don't you feel like you could sleep? So let me warm up your tea. I'm not that tired, you know I'm here, honey. Pour it all out, let it be. There's nowhere to go and nothing to do but sleep. C is for courage when the darn thing won't float. But what to do when all your spelling blocks just fall down? That's when it's good to have someone around to say you need your sleep. So let me warm up your tea. I'm not so tired, you got me here, honey. Pour it all out, let it be. There's nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. You don't always have to be strong.